Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, how are your online classes going
Good
on?
morning,
children?
ma'am.
Good morning, dear. How are your online classes going on? How many of you are actually seriously attending your classes?
Ma'am, they are fine, but offline classes are better.
Very good, very good. I completely agree with you here, beta, that offline classes are certainly better. We are able to see you, what is going on. We are able to trace actually what things are happening. So all these things we are able to trace. When it's which kind of a class?
Offline class.
Offline class.
Offline.
Problem happens in which classes? Hmm?
Online.
It's always, yes, beta, in online classes. Students who are sincere, for them it's okay. For them also they have certain problems. At times you're not able to relate to the notes also. Chali, anyways, we'll try our best, whatever best we can give you. I'm showing you sample formal invitation. Fine, please see to this. Giving you 2 minutes and just see to this invitation. This kind of a question is given to you. You are Mr. Rupi Sharma. You are solemnizing your son Shaurya's wedding. So this is a wedding invitation. I've done it a bit in the class. Please see this invitation for a minute, everybody. Then we'll discuss this invitation. Here is the name of the person who is inviting. So it would be what? It would be Mrs. and Mr. O.P. Sharma. Correct?
मैं प्लस क्यों लगाया बीच में?
बेटा ये प्लस नहीं होना चाहिए, एंड होना चाहिए. ठीक है, आप बिल्कुल वर्ड टू वर्ड इस पे मत जाओ. दिस इज जस्ट अ रफ आइडिया दैट आई एम गिविंग यू. जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको ऐसे ही लिखना है. So this is Mr. and Mrs. and होना चाहिए, प्लस नहीं होना चाहिए. ओपी शर्मा seek the pleasure of your company on the auspicious occasion of the marriage of this son. यहाँ पे नाम आ गया, थोड़ा बोल्ड में हाईलाइट कर दिया with. This is the name.
Good
Then
morning,
parents of the, good morning children. Then this is the bride का parents. यहाँ पे भी प्लस नहीं होना चाहिए. Daughter of Mrs. and Mr. B.K. Sharma. On Wednesday 15 November 20XX. I already tell you years नहीं लिखते हैं. At Moria Sheraton. This is the venue, the name of the hotel or wherever the wedding is to take place. Program को box में डालने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है. If you want, you can do it. If not, then you can avoid doing it. Please do not write this program. This should not be written. Simply write at Morris Sheraton, Wednesday, 15th November. No need to write this word program. Clear? Then you
Yes.
come to this reception. This program is given to you. No need to write. I would suggest don't write all this. Simply write Morris Sheraton, Wednesday, 15th November, 8 p.m. That's it. Clear? No need to write all this. Just write the venue, the date and the time. ये सब नहीं लिखिए बेटा. Just write Morris Sheraton, Wednesday, 15 November, 8 p.m. That is all. Then come down. RSVP, Sharma Industries, Delhi, Shaurya Industries, Delhi. Whatever आप लिखना चाहें, you can write anything. अगर कुछ भी नहीं लिखना चाहें यहाँ पे तो name of the person लिखो. ठीक है, ऊपर जो थे. And with best compliments from all relatives and friends. This is a simple format of a wedding invitation. Certain changes have to be made. यहाँ पे plus की जगह what should be there?
And
Yes, and should be there. Very good. So you can always use your own words. I'm not saying that go for the exact vocabulary. I'm not even saying go for the exact alignment of words. You can plan your own. Like if you want, you can have this in one line, seek the pleasure of your company, but then it should look like a card. You've seen so many wedding invitation cards. So keep in mind that this should look like a card. It should not look like a letter. That is the only thing you should keep in mind. You all are good in English. You can frame your sentences. So word to word, you may not copy, but if you are feel that you're not confident, you can go for the same words. You can change the pattern alignment, like isko aap different font mein likh sakte ho. You can have a different way of writing over here. You could change here this way. Like I told you, you could have changed here. So there are certain things which it's entirely your creativity. You can change. Whatever you feel, you can change and write. Let's see this. What was the first change we need to have over here in this PDF that I posted? First line, what change should be done?
Ma'am, instead of plus, there should be and.
Yes. Yes. And Mr. should come first or Mrs. should come first?
Mr. Mrs.
Mrs. In many books I have seen it is written Mr. and Mrs. If you see English wise, it is not wrong. But then when we go according to the norms, then ladies first. So you need to write Mrs. first. Please write always, preferably always write Mrs. first. So Mrs. and Mr. so and so. Beta, first line is the name of the person who is inviting. See, there is one grammatical mistake here. No, it's okay. Seek the pleasure of your company on the auspicious occasion. Please see the spelling of occasion, all of you. Many students, they write this spelling wrong. Spelling of auspicious also is written wrong. Please see the spelling very carefully. Spelling of auspicious and occasion. How many C you have in the spelling?
2.
And how many S?
1.
Many times I've seen students who write double C, double S or one C, double S. So everybody please see the spelling of occasion because teachers know कि यहीं पे गलती होता है. So when you write, they will certainly check this part. Be very careful about this. Shall you auspicious occasion of the marriage of their son? The son name is here with, this is the bride's name. In bracket, we will write the name of the parents of the bride. Achha, if the invitation is going from the bride's parents, then the name of the bride will come first, and then the name of the boy will come here. The parents of the boy in this bracket on Wednesday, comma 15th November 20XX, whatever, at whatever place you want to take it. Please just inform the time, the venue, and the date. Do not write all this program, reception, Dolly. No need to write all this stuff. Simply write at Maurya Sheraton. You've already written this Wednesday, 15 November at Maurya Sheraton, 8 p.m. That is sufficient. Now moving on to RSVP. Here, Dharma Industries they've written. So with best compliments from relatives and friends. What kind of an invitation is this? This is a wedding invitation. Everybody seen? Everybody has seen the wedding invitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
There are two types of
Yes,
invitation which are planned today. I'm taking up the second one. This is again a card format, but this is a school invitation. There's a little difference. Let's see. But this format is again going to be a card format. It's not a letter. So card format, what is the main difference that you see in card format here and here? Tell me, children. What is the main difference between a letter and a card format? देख के क्या पता चल रहा है? What difference can you make out? Tell me. No, nothing. See, beta, the space over here and the space over here is left blank. We're just using the central part of the page. Similarly, let me go to the previous one. This one. This is also a card format. So this space and this space is again left empty. We are just utilizing the central space for writing. This is the main difference that you have in a letter and a card format. Letter में आप यहाँ से लिखना start करेंगे a boundary से and you will go up to the last. ऐसे करके लिखते हैं. This is how we go. But in a card format, you will only utilize the central space. Leave the space on the left, leave the space on the right. थोड़ा stylish सा alignment बनाइए जो देखने में अच्छा लगे. One more thing that you should notice is, see, if you see the line is going somewhere here, daughter of, इससे इधर कुछ नहीं है and Delhi से इधर कुछ नहीं है. So you have to limit your page when you make a formal invitation. Do not write एक लाइन में इतना सा and दूसरा लाइन में पूरा यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक. Please don't do this. ध्यान से देखिए बेटा. The only space which is used maximum is this. We are starting from here, daughter wala. And here if you see the maximum space utilized is Delhi. Nothing is going out of this. So be very careful about the central space to be utilized. Let me go down to the second format and show you the same thing. See over here now. We are starting from here. This is the space which is being utilized. I would suggest don't write this also like this. You should plan it. इसको थोड़ा छोटा करना चाहिए था. चलिए, let's read this. The management, the principal, staff and students of St. Stephen's School. According to me, management को bold में करने का there is no need over here. School का नाम bold में करना चाहिए. Please keep listening. Everything which is written in the book is not always perfect. So we could have written the management, comma, the principal, staff, plus की जगह what should be there? And students. According to me, this of should have come in this line only. Clear? Management, principal, staff and students of ये यहीं पे ले जाते. And this should have been highlighted in capitals, the name of the school. St. Stephen's School, Pune, a comma after the school. Request the pleasure of your bearing presence on the occasion of, now the event has to be highlighted. The name of the school should be highlighted in bolds. Event should be highlighted. ये बिल्कुल ठीक है. Annual function. No need to write of the school. Obviously, it's a school we've already mentioned. So why write this? Simply annual function on November 14, this, beta, यहाँ पे weekday आना चाहिए था. On Wednesday, November 14 or Friday, November 14. So what should have been here?
मैम फर्स्ट वाला ऑफ आएगा.
हाँ जी बेटा.
मैम
ये
फर्स्ट
वाला
वाला
on.
ऑफ आएगा क्या? नहीं, ऑफ. फर्स्ट वाला द प्रिंसिपल, स्टाफ एंड स्टूडेंट ऑफ.
But ये off ऊपर जाना चाहिए था. The principal, staff and students off. ये वाला off second line में ही add कर देना चाहिए था. And third line में we should highlight this bold में. Like we have written the annual function. We should have put the school's name in bold. Name of the institution, the name of the program, the function. And what is missing here? इसमें क्या गलती है? यहाँ पे what should come here?
Day.
Yes, the weekday. On Wednesday, November 14, Friday, November 14. Here also we should not write this 2019. What should be written?
20x.
20XX. Very good. From 4 p.m. onwards in the school auditorium. This is fine. Name of the school, name of the program and the venue is highlighted. The Honorable Brigadier Mr. J.S. Bedi. This is absolutely wrong. यहाँ पे द लगाना नहीं था. You should have written Honorable Brigadier J.S. Bedi. No need to write Mr. over here. Brigadier J.S. Bedi is sufficient. Brigadier के बाद Mr. नहीं लगाना है. You will simply write Honorable Brigadier J.S. Bedi will be the chief guest and give away the prizes. इसको थोड़ा सा change करिए. Make a better sentence. Has kindly, come on, change it. Honorable Brigadier J.S. Bedi has kindly consented to be the chief guest and give away the prizes. ठीक है बेटा? This language is looking a little odd. Will be the chief guest, will give away the prizes. Make it better. What will you write? Mr. Brigadier J.S. Bedi. No need to write Mr. Honorable Brigadier J.S. Bedi has kindly consented. What do you mean by the word consented?
Accepted.
No, not exactly. What does the word consented mean? Anybody?
consent or something.
Yes, he has given his consent. मतलब he has given the permission, you can say consent, मतलब वो मान गए हैं. Has kindly consented to be the chief guest and to give away the prizes. There is another mistake over here. RSVP, it is written. यहाँ पे ये नहीं लिखना है. The principal St. Stephen's Pune, because you already mentioned the name of the school. So who should be the RSVP in such invitations? It could be simply St. Stephen family. You should have simply written what? St. Stephen family. Or again, management and students. Why principal alone is RSVP? You could simply written whom? Agar principal likh rahe ho, to simply write the principal. Don't write the name of the school and the city. This we've already written over here. See, we've written over here. See the third line, this St. Stephen School. So why are we writing this again? You could have simply written the principal. That's it. Clear? No need to write St. Stephen's Pune again. Let's do this again. There were some issues which I need to discuss. What change I told you in this line? The first one.
Is and should be there and off should be same line, and management need not to be in capitals.
Yes. Very good. Because we are not taking principal, staff and students in bold. So why take management? It's looking awkward. The management, comma, the principal, the management, principal, staff and students off. So this off we have taken here. What change should be done in this sentence, beta? Tell me quickly.
The name of
It should be highlighted.
Yes, and we should always put a comma. If it is SI International School Bareilly, then I'll write SI International School in capital, then put a comma and then write Bareilly. First letter of Pune is capital. Over here, this entire thing you're putting it in capital. Request the pleasure of your benign presence on the occasion of, what is the spelling of occasion?
OCCASION.
How many C's in
मैम
this
पुणे भी
spelling? of
कैपिटल में
occasion?
लिखना है.
2.
2.
Yes, and how many S?
1.
Very good. 1. So be very careful about the spelling over here. Annual function of the school on, what is missing over here?
Weekday.
Weekday.
Weekday. So on Wednesday, November 14, Friday, November 14, comma, what should be here, beta?
20.
20XX.
Yes. From 4 p.m. onwards in the school auditorium, whenever we use designations like brigadier, colonel, no need to write Mr. Simply write Honorable Brigadier J.S. Bedi, Honorable Colonel, Honorable General. So if you're giving a designation, no need to write this Mr. over here. So you would have written Honorable Brigadier J.S. Bedi has kindly consented to be the chief guest and give away the prize. See, we should not repeat these. Will, it's written 2 times. We should not use this. So there are so many books in the market, all publications, you simply don't learn them. There are certain errors. So be careful. Shall we revise this? I'm giving you 2 minutes. Let's revise this. And then tell me what changes should be done in this. Just after a minute, you should start speaking with them. You have to just observe this, and after a minute, tell me what changes should be done when we write a wedding invitation.
Ma'am, in school 1, we have to write all the things in capital. Means that S will capital and R will also be capital.
Yes, S capital, R capital, international school. Dekho, isko, let me show you the previous slide, the second one. This is how you should write. Well, that is the host. वो highlight होना ही चाहिए. The name of the institution, the program and the venue. These 3 things should be highlighted. Let's go back to wedding invitation. We were doing this. After 1 minute or so.
मैम
Yes.
मैम स्कूल
You
के
can
बाद
ask if there are any queries. Yes, beta.
मैम स्कूल के बाद जो सिटी का नाम है वो कैपिटल में आएगा.
हाँ बेटा, अगर आप उसी लाइन में लिख रहे हो तो वो odd लगेगा. If you will write the name of the school in capitals, so write the name of the school in capitals, put a comma. ठीक है, अगर लिखना चाहते हैं सिटी का नाम. If you don't want to write, don't write. As it is, school invitations go to parents only. So if you don't want to write, don't write. If you're writing, put a comma and write. अब बेटा wedding invitation देखिए सब लोग carefully. Then we'll discuss about this invitation in detail. See carefully, hurry up. Should we start discussing?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, first few people speak. ठीक है,
Ma'am.
first few people. Start.
In the first line, instead of plus and should be there.
Very good. Perfect. Carry on, children. Carry on. This is what I want. Everybody should speak. What next? Continue.
Ma'am, for the bride's name, here again, instead of plus and should be there.
Okay.
Ma'am, there is no need to write the word program.
There is no need to write the word program. This is a very traditional card which is printed here. पहले ऐसा होता था. Nowadays, we don't have these kind of cards. People don't have so much of time to read. And nobody is going to wait for the reception of the barat and the doli and all. Nobody is interested. So all this is not written because it's a very family affair. These are something very personal things. Guests, they have nothing to do with this. So we don't write it.
Just the
Continue.
date, and venue, just the day, date, time, and venue is required.
Yes. Now supposing you get a wedding invitation from your neighbors. So what are the three things of your interest? Tell me.
Food,
What will you read in the card? What only you are interested in only 2-3 things in the card जो neighbors से आएगा. Wedding invitation. What is the first thing you will be interested in?
Venue, date.
Yes. Venue,
Ma'am,
date
date.
and time.
date,
That's
time,
it.
and venue.
Huh. And you have to simply go for dinner and come back. So you are not interested. What time the barat is coming? What time the bride is going to go home? Nobody is going to stay back. That is something very personal. It's a family affair these days. So we don't write all these things. Clear, beta? This is an old
Yes.
format. I don't know if you've seen very old cards few years back. Then we used to write all this when people used to actually stay back for the entire wedding programs. What is Doli? What is Doli? They've written a word Doli over here. When the bride goes in the morning after the entire program is done, that ceremony is called Doli. Who is bothered? Nobody stays back except for relatives. So we don't write all this now. Okay, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
With changing time, the trends in society have changed and so have the wedding invitations. Do you go to your neighbor's wedding? Formal people, you don't know them well. Do you stay back till the morning?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Who are the only people who stay back till morning?
Family member.
Family.
So we are not going to send this invitation to everybody that, okay, you come stay back till morning. Nobody is going to stay back. Nobody has the time to. That is why I'm saying the pattern has changed. Okay. Let me plan a little now. Let me change the host. Let us do it orally today. From the next session, we'll start writing. Please note down some details and tell me. Mrs. and Mr. R.K. Shrivastava. Take down the name. Mrs. and Mr. R.K. Shrivastava. His daughter is getting married. The daughter is getting married. The daughter's name is, suggest a name. Suggest a name.
Ma'am, R.K. Shrivastava.
R.K. Shrivastava's daughter's name, you suggest.
Shraddha.
What beta? I could not hear. अरे any one daughter's name of Mr. Srivastav, कुछ भी रख लीजिए नाम.
Avni.
Okay, she has given us the daughter's name. Okay, she's getting married with. Suggest a name. Suggest the name of the groom also. Suggest. Any name. Any name you suggest. Come on, tell me. Any
Vishal.
name of the groom. Anji?
I'm Vishal.
Vishal. Chalo, done. Ho gaya. And where do you want them to get married? Decide the venue.
मैम डॉटर
Where do you
नेम क्या
want?
बोला आपने?
मैंने तो कुछ भी नहीं बोला. Somebody suggested. What daughter's name you people suggested?
Avni.
Avni. The girl is Avni. So invitation is going from Avni's parents or Vishal's parents?
Avni's parents.
Avni. Very good. See the formal, the pattern I showed you, invitation that was going from the boy's side. Now we are practicing, we are going to write an invitation which is going to go from the bride's side. So beta Vishal ke parents ka naam bhi decide karna padega. Tell me, Mrs. and Mr. what?
Agarwal.
Mrs. and Mr.
R.L. Agarwal.
R.L. Agarwal. Chaliye done. So the bride's parents are Srivastava, Avni's parents are Mrs. and Mr. Srivastava, and the groom's parents are Mrs. and Mr. So and so Agarwal. So what is the destination? What is the venue for the wedding?
Hotel Distant.
Which hotel?
Distant.
Okay, okay. Fine. Now fix up a date also, since you've done so many things. Very good. Fix up a date for the wedding.
April 24.
25.
April 24. 25. Chalo, COVID mein you're getting them married. Huh? Very few people will be invited. Good. Hardly 50 people will be allowed in the wedding. So this is going to be a nice wedding. They've decided the date. They've decided the venue. Giving you 1 minute. Let's orally plan the invitation. Today we are not writing. Come on. I've given you all the details. Take 1 minute and then we'll start speaking. I want everybody to participate, please.
मैम
If you have any
वेन्यू
doubts, please ask. Hanji, boliye.
मैम वेन्यू नेम
Tell him again. The venue, please. Patel.
Hotel Distant. DISSTON.
Okay. So we know everything now. The name of the boy, his parents, girl, girl, her parents, date, venue, time. Time also you plan it somewhere. What time you want to keep?
8 p.m.
8 p.m.
Night curfew. Plan it a little early. These days we have night curfew. 8 o'clock.
6 p.m.
6 p.m. If they will come at 8, then when will they go home? They will go to jail. Night curfew these days. Let's plan for 6 o'clock.
5.
Because the wedding is April only. In April, we have night curfew. So let's have it at
5
6
PM.
o'clock. Oh, chalo, 5 pe bula lo, 5, 6, whatever, but make sure they reach home before the night curfew starts. How are the cases in your locality, children? What is the condition of COVID in your areas?
I'm not good.
Not good. You stay where? Which area, beta?
Rajendra Nagar.
Oh, Rajendra Nagar, to I know. Yes, yes. I read in the newspaper a lot of cases in Rajendra Nagar. So near your house, do you have patients?
I'm not till yet.
Okay. What about others? What is the situation where you are living about the COVID cases?
I don't think there are here near Green Park.
Green Park. Arey, you don't know then. Green Park has 35 active patients. It was in the
Yes,
newspaper
ma'am.
yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Green
Ma'am,
Park is
Green
one
Park.
of the. You are living a cool life inside your house, beta. There are 35 active patients in Green Park. It's a hotspot in Bareilly. We have 4 hotspots in Bareilly. Rampur Garden, Mahanagar, Green Park, and Rajendra Nagar. These maximum cases are reported from there only.
Ma'am, but
Neeraj
in
sir was
Faridpur
also
there is no
saying,
case.
Faridpur, there is no case.
I think so, ma'am.
Good for you, beta, if it is not there. Now we'll have the migrant laborers coming back to UP, no? So the number of cases will probably increase. We've got so many people who are moving back from Maharashtra, Mumbai, and all the labor, no? Migrant laborers who are working there. Since we have a lockdown in Maharashtra, they're coming back to UP. So that is going to cause some trouble in UP. That is one thing. We really have some cases increasing now. But yeah, whatever is the situation, one thing is very clear, that schools are not going to open till 15th of May. These are the government orders, administration orders. School will not open till 15th of May. So don't
Ma'am,
take
in
it.
July also they'll not open.
Beta July to actually nobody knows, only nobody can predict about July. But as of now, they've closed till 15th May. Till 25th April, it is, according to the doctors, it is the biggest threat in India. Till 25th April. So if you're able to sustain by 25th April, if you're able to control, then things will be probably fine. But if by 25th April things go out of control, so this is what the doctors are saying, then it will take a lot of time to control things. So this week is going to be very crucial for India. We have a weekend curfew in UP. I think you know about it. You know about this?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the Indian Medical Council has suggested that whatever precautions have to be taken this week only. This week, if you are able to control the cases, the things will improve very soon. And this week, beta agar thoda sa careless ya negligent ho gaye, then according to the medical council, it's going to take us many, many months to overcome this problem. So this week is very crucial. Take care of yourself.
Ma'am,
Don't let
why
your
this week only?
parents. Beta, this is the maximum contaminant thing. We have not isolated anybody till now. You see elections are going on. You've seen elections going on. There are elections in so many states. You had election in
Yes.
Bareilly also. Day before yesterday, you had election in Bareilly.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
thousands of people are there, beta. In Bengal, you have elections. In Assam, you have elections. So what happens in these areas? Thousands of people are gathering at one place. So even if there is one person who's COVID positive, you can imagine the number of cases who are going to increase in the coming week. Labor is also migrating. So many labor people coming back to their homes. Those who are working in other states, they're coming back to their homes. ये वाला जो week है ये थोड़ा सा crucial रहेगा. So we should avoid going out. Counsel your younger brothers and sisters that they should not move out of the house unnecessarily. If you have elderly grandparents at home, take good care of them. They should not go out at any cost. Fine. Chaliye, we still have 6-7 minutes. Let's draft the invitation. Start. Speak the wedding invitation. Start, beta.
Mrs.
You
and
have
Mr. R.
Start.
Mrs. and Mr. R.K. Srivastav, solicit your benign presence on the auspicious occasion of the marriage of their daughter, Avni with Vishal, son of Mrs. and Mr. R.L. Agarwal, on day was not given.
Sunday.
On Sunday, April 24, 2086, at Hotel Distant, Sector 17, Noida.
Very good. Continue.
And ma'am, time was supposed to be after date. I forgot to tell.
Never mind. Add on now.
Okay. Sunday,
Mhm.
Sunday, April 24, 2086, 5 p.m. at
Mhm.
Hotel Distant, Sector 17, Noida, RSVP, Mr. R.K. Srivastav, 400, 7 lines, 8 6, 7, X, with best compliments from friends and relatives.
Very good, Sakshi. Excellent. Very, very good. Excellent. Well planned invitation. Very good. Too good. Chali. Who's coming up next? Speak quickly. Hurry up, start. They'll help you. If you stop somewhere, we'll help you. No issues. Start, beta. We are all there to help you. If you'll get stuck somewhere, we'll help you. Speak, beta. Start speaking. Who's speaking next? Speak out, beta. Devansh, you don't want to try?
Yes, ma'am.
Try karo. Beta, please help him. If it goes wrong somewhere, just help him out. Chali, Devansh, speak.
Ma'am, Mrs. and Mr. PK seek the pleasure of your company on the auspicious occasion of the marriage of their daughter. And the daughter name is,
Keep helping him out.
we can say, ma'am, Avni with Suraj. Daughter of, son of Mr. and Mrs. Mrs. and Mr. R.K. Sharma. On Wednesday, 15 November 2006 at Green Park at 8 p.m.
Very good, very good. Conclude now.
With the best compliment from your friends and relatives.
Not the. It's not with the best compliments. Correct, karo beta. Devansh, what should it be?
With best compliment from friends and relatives.
Okay, good. Children, did he go wrong somewhere? Tell me. Apart from changing the name of the boy and his parents, that is not a mistake. But apart from that, there was only one small mistake which I saw. What was it, Devansh? Tell me. Next time, don't do that mistake. What was it I corrected you?
Ma'am, with da will not come.
Yes. आपने क्या बोला था? And what it should be? Speak out so that others also don't do this mistake.
With best compliment from friends and relatives. Will come.
Will come. And what you had spoken?
Ma'am, I have spoken with the best compliment.
Very good, very good. So others also, when they listen to you, they'll know that this has not to be done. See, he's done it so nicely. I want one more child. Come on, I still have 2-3 minutes. One of you more. Come on, bolo beta. Until you people try, how will you become confident? Had it been in a classroom, I would have called you on the board. Chalo, come, right. Who is speaking? Tell me quickly. Should I only select? Soni, would you like to try?
Yes, ma'am.
Start, beta. Start, Soni.
Mrs. and Mr. R.K. Srivastav request the pleasure of your company on the auspicious occasion of the wedding of their daughter, Abni with Vishal, son of Mrs. and Mr. R.L. Agarwal, on Sunday, 24 April 2086, 5 p.m. at hotel. Ma'am, don't know the name of the hotel.
Okay, continue. Continue. Wind up now. Any name you write, Hotel XYZ.
Hotel XYZ, Noida. Then with best compliments from relatives and friends, RSVP 25 sector 24, then 953xxx.
Okay, you mean the contact number. What you're trying to give in RSVP is the contact number, right? That is what you're trying
Yes,
to do. Very good. See how nicely she is also planning. Very, very good. See, those students who speak out, they'll never forget.